How many friends have you? Please tell me the name of your two friends. Please tell me the name of your best friend. What is his father? What is his mother? How many brothers and sisters has he? In which class is your friend reading? In which school is he reading? In which subject is he very intelligent? In which subject is he very weak? Does he like games and sports? Do you like his nature? What are the qualities of your friend? Do you have his mobile number? Would you like to go on his birthday party if he invites you? What would you like to give him on his birthday party? How far is his house from your house? What is the weak point of your friend? Do you go to your friend's house? When do you go to your friend's house? Thank you.